We're in Akron, Ohio. Take a look. These are old, used to be Haughton elevators. Looks like there's another cab. That's what the cab looks like. Basic, just wood. Manufacturer, Hog. The Key building, this is the Key building. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm stupid. Shut the door. Get a better shot of this panel. I guess these are offices on this floor. And there, it looks like there's other elevators around the corner. But anyway, that will be it for these.